Clementine's Smile. Written by Lynn Rickards. Illustrated by Simona Meiser.
Clementine, the crocodile, has always got a sparkling smile. Her friends love having her to play. It's like a party every day. But one day she is sad and blue. Her friends crowd round. What can they do? Clementine has got a pain. Perhaps she'll never smile again. Where does it hurt? Is it your nose, your back, your tail, your head, your toes? Then, finally, they learn the truth. The pain she has is in her tooth. It's very clear what we should do. That painful tooth needs seeing too. I'll call the dentist right away. We mustn't wait another day. The dentist? No! Please, Mum, I'm fine, says poor, unhappy Clementine. Too late. Her mum has just got through. That's great. We'll come at 2:30. Goodbye, says Mum, and turns around. But Clementine cannot be found. Mum searches high, Dad searches low. Please, Clementine, it's time to go. At last she's found, and off they ride. The dentist smiles. Now open wide. Which tooth is hurting, Clementine? I'll fix it now and you'll be fine. The dentist knows just what to do, and soon that tooth's as good as new. But Clementine just can't resist, and snap! One dentist won't be missed. Now, Clementine, you let him out. Mum pulls and tugs and hops about. The dentist's been so kind to you. Oh, what a naughty thing to do! Mum grabs his feet and pulls him free. She hasn't had her lunch, you see. No worries, comes the dentist's squeak. A hippo swallowed me last week. No dentist visit is complete without a special tooth care treat. A brand new brush, some minty paste to wash away the dentist taste. Brush twice a day and you'll be fine, the dentist says to Clementine. Despite her smile that fills the room, he hopes she won't be back too soon.